My name is Ashley Turan-Ord and I'm from Enlit Europe. And today I'm delighted to be taking you on a journey on Swapcard, Enlit Europe's business and networking platform. When you enter the platform, you have multiple options where you can network with the industry, watch live episodes, find your next business partner, and get to know European projects contributing to the digitalization of energy. Let me show you around and give you some tips. We're on the community members page, where you can review the profiles recommended for you based on your profile. See who is active online and search for the profiles that you're interested in meeting, or simply filter the list. Once you found the partner that you're looking for, you can send them a connection request and start scheduling your one-on-one meetings, or simply start a video call. Planning ahead to ensure that you do not miss out on live premium content is now possible. On the calendar page, you can preview the upcoming program calendar, click to find out more on each episode, and secure your virtual seat. Make sure to click on the register button to add this to your personal agenda. In addition, you can download a calendar reminder to your Outlook or your agenda. During live episodes, you can type in questions and comments to spark the discussion with your fellow attendees, or ask your burning questions to the live panel. And there's more. The virtual marketplace allows you to explore all the companies that are connected to our online community. You can narrow down the list using the filters or simply search for a company name. Click on a company profile to find out more. You can add it to your favorites, start a conversation with them, or send them a meeting request. And that's not all. You can download the Enlit 365 app and watch all of our episodes on your phone or tablet, while still having all the benefits of the platform features which we've reviewed together today. What's next? Sign up to join Swapcard and join us in navigating the energy transition.